I made a fig and nuts ring pastry. First, I will make the filling. I mix all filling ingredients in a bowl except the orange juice. Process into 2 portions. Add 1/4 cup of orange juice to each portion until all mixture form into a paste. Divided mixture into 2 portions. Form each one of them into logs. Wrap each with plastic wrap. Then place in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. To make the dough, I place the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt and orange zest in a bowl of food processor. I added the butter slices, process until mixture looks like that. I added 2 eggs, whisk, process until mixture forms into a dough. Divide the dough into 2 portions, wrap with plastic wrap, form into a disc, leave in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I roll out each piece of dough in between 2 plastic wraps and place the filling in the middle of dough. Wrap dough around the filling. Smooth seams, place on baking tray, line with parchment paper, form into a ring. Smooth dough, use a crimper, starting from inside crimp, then top going around. Place in fridge for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Brush with egg wash. Bake in a preheated oven 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Set aside to cool for 15 minutes. Then brush the whole thing with warm honey, and it was ready for us to be used.